welcome back to the channel. Exciting day today. We are here at Raw Wheels with the Raw dog. He's trying to get me to throw stones for it. But yeah, welcome back. We've got them. Look at that. So yeah, really happy. Jim's done an amazing job and the guys here, they look literally brand new. Obviously there's a few dents and stuff from 30 years worth of being used, but overall unbelievable. So if you do need any of your wheels doing, get down to Raw. They do all sorts of stuff. They do ceramic coating for things like turbos and exhaust manifolds and stuff like that. Obviously powder coating your wheels. They'll powder coat anything, by the way, not just wheels. They'll do absolutely anything. They do a bit of hydro dipping, wet painting, you know, so if you've got split wheels or anything like that that needs wet painting, they will sort it all out. So give them a call, get down here, very impressed. So we'll load them up into the car and we've got a lot more stuff to do today, so we'll get home and we'll get on with it. Okay, so we are back in the big green tent and it has been an exciting day. We've obviously got the wheels back from Raw. I've stuck them in the lockup because we won't be needing them for a little while, but I'm glad to have them done, and it also means that once we get the car back together, all the suspension on and whatnot, we're ready with a fresh set of wheels and some decent tyres to go out for a drive and enjoy all this work that we've put in. You can probably tell from my breath, it's absolutely freezing in here. I'm getting properly done over by winter days and nights and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I hope you appreciate it. Make sure you click subscribe because it's me out here in the cold and rain. Well, to be fair, not the rain. And I think it really is going to be worth it because it has been a lot of cold days working on this thing. We've still got a long way to go, so it's not even like it's over yet. But yeah, hopefully it'll be worth it. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, got some stuff put on today, which has changed after God knows how long, just taking stuff off. We are finally ready to start getting some stuff back on. So today I'm going to try and get the steering arms back on. I'm going to get the lower control arms back on. I've ordered some drive shafts, so we've got drive shafts to do. Bit of a lazy man's way out because, to be honest, I could not be bothered doing the CV boots. All four of them needed changing, and to be honest, SKF drive shafts shipped over from Germany didn't work out a whole lot more, and it means that I sort of just don't have to worry for 10 years. All the actual drive shaft joint and stuff's going to be brand new. It's going to be good. Yeah, hopefully by the time it's all put back together, we'll have no rattles, nothing. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll get this sorted and then we'll move on to the next thing. So one of the jobs that we're going to do today is the steering arms. So I've been waiting a long time. I basically ordered the wrong one. I ended up with two driver's sides. So one driver's side from a right-hand drive, one driver's side from a left-hand side. And I had to send it back and get another one. But I've got it now. I've got all the new bolts. Obviously, we've already taken them off in a previous video. So we're going to get them back on, move on to the lower control arms, and then see what else we can do before it gets dark. Right, so just before we get started, just a quick warning. If anybody is going to be doing this themselves, easiest way to make sure that you're not properly dragging a wheel when you come to change these is take your old one, take your new one, and basically match them up so they're pretty much the same length before you start, okay? That will sort of minimise, because obviously you're going to need to get your tracking done and stuff like that, get your wheels aligned. They can do that, obviously, once it's on the car, but if you don't adjust it to match that one while it's off, it'll make it really hard for yourself. So yeah, top tip, do that. Right, so that part of it is done. We've got the steering arms on. As you can see, very nice and new and fancy. Unfortunately, I don't have the right size spanner to tighten it up. So I'm going to have to come back to do that. Make sure I remember to do it before I put my suspension on and get it all sorted. But it's in at the other end. It just needs tightening up and we're all sorted. So the next thing we're going to do is these. Now I've left the nut and bolt in so that I can find out which one it is out of my bag of bolts. So it's that one. Same size. So we're going to swap that one with one of them, as you can see. Again, just nice and new. Hopefully it's just going to minimise any play that there was in the car, make it real sharp and responsive when we come to driving it after we've got everything sorted. But yeah, so I'll cut to another time lapse, get this fitted and then on to the other side. Right, so we've got those little bits fitted. Oh my god, what a good feeling to get some parts back on that Polo. It seems like it's just been forever that I've just been taking stuff off, ordering it, find out what to order, all this sort of stuff, picking up parts. It has just been ages, so it's so good to actually get something back on the car, which means that we're on track. It's happening, thankfully it's moving in the right direction now. There is still some stuff to come off. Obviously I want to get some new rear bushings in the rear beams, stuff like that. But yeah, obviously it's been a long day. We've got the wheels, we've got the lower control arms on, we've got the steering arms on. It's all heading in the right direction. So if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to click subscribe. Still aiming towards 500 subscribers before Christmas. I know it's a big ask, but we can do it, definitely. So yeah, give us a subscribe. Comment down below what you've done on your car this week. Give us a thumbs up, and yeah, on to the next one. Don't forget to check out the other videos if you haven't watched any of them before. And yeah, we'll see you next week.